So why does an outbound sales prospecting campaign fail? Well, it's normally a number of reasons. It could be, firstly, we're targeting the wrong companies, not just the wrong companies, but the wrong people in a company. Now, often if you're doing this campaign yourself and you're building messages and you're building long emails and really salesy type messages, and you're blasting those email campaigns out, and you wondered why your responses are low, it's probably a number of different factors in there. So firstly, let's go back to cold calling 2.0, and the list of people that we're building isn't necessarily the actual end customer. It might necessarily be, let's say for example, IT directors. We don't necessarily build a list of IT directors. What we do is build lists of people who are their peers, people around those, your target market. And we send very simple emails out that look like it's just an email I've sent to you personally, even though we are broadcasting. Now, don't get me wrong, we're not broadcasting thousands. We're broadcasting very low numbers, 25, 50, 100 max. And it looks like it's an individual email. And what we're doing from there is we're asking for referrals, or we're sending out relevant information that underpin and create authority around your proposition. So if you're blasting out huge campaigns with really salesy stuff, HTMLs, offers, links, and all that kind of stuff, and you're not getting any response, or your open rates are low, your outbound prospecting is probably a little bit broken. So it's finding the right people, the right message, and then testing. So with our campaigns, we're continually testing a whole number of things. So split testing the emails themselves, split testing the subject lines, split testing or testing the days of the week, the time of the day, and there's obviously a whole number of trends that we analyse across all the campaigns that we run to find out what is the optimum time of day. And it can vary in different clients in different markets. For example, actually by mistake once, we sent a campaign out on a Sunday evening. And for Sados like myself, who are always on their iPad or their iPhone, getting ready for work on a Monday morning, we actually had a really good response. Doesn't mean we always send emails on a Sunday night, but just gives you an indication that sometimes, testing different things, you get some surprising results, and you obviously keep testing to make sure it wasn't a one-off. So an outbound campaign can really work well if you really understand who you're speaking to, understand what their proposition is, or what your proposition, how it relates to them, and what gets them talking and what gets them thinking. So make sure you test. If you're outsourcing it and you expect it on day one, you may be disappointed, but if you understand that we're building intelligence, we're learning, and we're helping you develop your marketing messages and how you go to market yourself with your own website or other marketing collateral, or what your salespeople say to actually get that ongoing engagement, we can help find that. We're not just going to say, here's an appointment. We're not an appointment setter. We're about engagement, understanding messages, understanding the pain that clients have, and then developing that so it all works together. Thanks for listening.